Hello and welcome to another video. Now, the most common email I've been receiving lately is how to install the black and white presets which I'm giving away for Lightroom and Adobe Camera Raw. I'm going to show you how to install them in Adobe Lightroom. I have to apologize because I did not include any documentation in the presets folder, assuming that most people would know the process. Nevertheless, here is the process and how to install them into Adobe Lightroom. Having downloaded the presets, you'll see that you have a zip file. Place that zip file somewhere where you know it will be, either your documents folder or your desktop, etc. And then in Adobe Lightroom, make sure that we are in the Develop module. On the left hand side, choose Presets and press the plus icon. From the pop-out menu, choose Import Presets. Find that zip file, select it and press Import. Now you will see that the presets have been placed into the Presets section. They are in their own folder called DBW B&W Pack 1. I've included the Pack 1 because there may be more packs released in the future. If you haven't already got the Lightroom presets, I will leave a link in the description below as to where you can download them from. So until next time, thank you for watching and bye for now.